Hello friends, welcome to How to Do It. Today I'll show you how to write comment on HTML. Alright, so let's start. So first of all, if you want to comment, actually why you use to comment, like this one. This is this text center like with CSS, and I want to again write comment like this text center with HTML center tag. All right. So when you use this, like then it will be comment. But if you write anything else, then this content will be not showing your browser. Let's say open. They are not showing because this is just for uh, your good practice for the just if you want to after 1 month or yeah, 1 year if you want to again work here, then it will be help to you. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.